Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to JEE main examination. So friend, let's start the question answer round and look at what I am telling. The question number 1. The half-life period of a first order reaction is 10 minutes. The time required for the concentration of the reactant to change from 0.08 to 0.02. That is the value of N0 and this one is the value of N. Now how to solve the question? Check it out what I'm telling friend. It's very simple. As we know the half-life is 10. That is T half is equal to, we people know, 0.693 upon K. So K is equal to 0.693 upon T half. Yes sir, you are correct. Now put this value here, that is K is equal to 0.693 upon 10. Now what will happen? It will around 6.93. Clear to you what I'm telling? Am I right or wrong? Sir, you are absolutely wrong. It is not 6.93 divided by 10. That is 1, 2, 3 more 0. That is 0.0693. That is the value of K. Yes, sir. Now, the time required to change the concentration. As we know, the first order reaction, tell me what will happen. We people know K is equal to 2.303 upon T log N upon N0. What I'm telling, K is equal to 2.303 upon T log N upon N0. Am I right? Sir, you are absolutely wrong. The formula is log initial concentration N0 upon N. Now put the value, that is T is equal to 2.303 upon K. What I'm telling, 2.303 upon K log, what is given here, 0.08 upon 0.02. Now this will cancel and this one is 4. That is T is equal to 2.303 upon what is K, 0.0693 log 4. We can write here 2 log 2. Clear? Now check it out. What will happen? It can be written like this, 2.303 upon 0.0693 into 2 log 2, 0.3010. Now what will happen? It will give you a value T is equal to 20 minutes. So for this question, sir, it's very simple. B is the correct option. T is equal to 20 minutes. Now I'm going to rub this part and let's move to the next section, next question. Check it out. Wait for a moment. Now, for question number 2, look at, if you plot a graph between log K and 1 by T by Arrhenius equation, then what will happen? What is the slope in this case? It's very simple. As we know, K is equal to A minus EA upon RT. Do you remember this? Taking log both sides, what will happen? That is log K is equal to log A, clear, minus, that is plus, first of all write plus log E, better to write ln because here is exponent. So log both side base, that is ln K is equal to ln A plus ln E to the power minus EA upon RT. Clear to you? What will happen? That is ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. Now convert it into log. Do you requirement? Yes. That is log K is equal to 2.303 ln k we can convert into log, that is 2.303 log k is equal to 2.303 log a minus ea upon RT. Now I am moving here, we'll discuss the next one. Log k is equal to log a 2.303 come here, log a minus ea upon 2.303 r, yeah, RT, 2.303 RT. Now here is given according to the question the graph, this one taken as k, this one 1 upon t is x. So the graph expression is y is equal to mx plus c. X is 1 by 1 by t. So m is minus ea upon 2.303 r and c is equal to log a. So what is the expression, sir? In this case the slope is minus ea upon 2.303 r. For question number 2, C is the correct option. Clear? Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. What is the next one? Wait for a moment, give me few seconds so that you can easily solve such kind of questions. Now come here, what I am telling. Now let's move to the question number 3, that is how will be the rate of the reaction. This one is rate expression, R is equal to K SO2 into O2. Yes sir. Change if the volume of the reaction vessel is triple. If the volume of the, as we know, concentration can be written like this, N upon V. Here also write here N upon V. Yes, and what will happen, that is rate changes. Clear to you? If the volume of the, now the new rate is can be write like this, K N upon 3V, and here also tripled N upon 3V. Now what will happen, R dash is equal to K 339, that is K upon 9, put here K upon 9, N upon V into N upon V. Now look at the new rate. What will happen? Check it out. R dash, now put in this value, is equal to K upon 9 into R. That is the new rate is 1 upon 9 times the initial rate. You can easily write like this. R dash expression is K upon 9. Now here is N upon V into N upon V. Clear to you? Now divided by R is equal to K, that is N upon V into N upon V. Yes sir. Now what will happen? Sir, is very simple. This will cancel this one and this will cancel this one. R dash upon R is equal to 1 upon 9. So new R is equal to R upon 9, 1 by 9 times. Check it out, because we know this one is concentration. Concentration is number of moles upon volume of solution in liter. Here 3 times, multiply by 3. So R dash upon R is equal to 1 upon 9. R dash is equal to R upon 9. So for question number 3, D is the correct option. It will be 1 upon 9 of its initial value. Clear? Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now wait friend. Now let's move to the next question. What will happen? Check it out. The question number, for an endothermic reaction where delta H represents the enthalpy, the minimum value for the energy of activation, that is the endothermic reaction, that is the heat is requirement, and for minimum value definitely it will be the more than the value of delta G, because this is the minimum amount of energy in which the reaction proceeds. So this is simple theoretical question. For this question C is the correct option, more than delta H. Now friend, wait for a moment, let's move to the next section. What I am telling, what will happen in this case, check it out. For question number 5, look at two reaction, A gives product and B give product, have rate constant K and Kb at temperature T, and activation energy is EA and EB. If K is greater than Kb and EA is less than EB, assuming that A for both the reaction is same, then what will happen? That is, as we know, the rate expression log K is equal to A e to the power EA upon RT. Remember this? Then, sorry friend, that is the expression. Clear? If I talk about Ka, Ka is equal to A e to the power minus EA upon RT. Yes. Now for EA and EB, and for Kb we can write A e to the power EB upon RT. This is here, and according to the question, Ka is greater than Kb. Yes sir, Ke is greater than Kb. Clear? Now find out the, and one more thing, here is given EA is less than EB. Now which factor governs here, tell me. Look at this expression, this is the expression. Which factors govern? That is the temperature and A. Both the cases same, we do not need to bother about this. But now check out what will happen in this case. That is the first option, at higher temperature Ka will be greater than Kb. Yes, at higher temperature, that is Ka will be greater than Kb. This is supporting the temperature because energy of activation is less, and at lower temperature Ka will be close, not at, as temperature rises Ka and Kb will close to each other. Yes, so for this is a multiple choice exceptional type. In JEE exam generally they do not ask, but for this the correct option is at higher temperature Ka will be greater than Kb. If we plot the graph, in previous question I have plotted the graph also, so you can easily conclude that is at higher temperature Ka will be greater than Kb, and as temperature rises and there is a positions comes when Ka and Kb will close to each other in magnitude. So for this question A and C are the correct expression, correct option. Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment, give me few seconds. The next one is, look at for question number 6. A substance undergo first order decomposition. The decomposition follow two parallel first order reaction. Okay, K1 and K2. The percentage distribution, as we know, for such type of reaction, K1, that is Ka into percentage yield. Percentage yield of B is taken as X, and you may take is 100 minus X. Yes sir, multiply by X. Yes. And for this K2 is equal to again Ka, clear to you, multiply by 100 minus multiply by percentage yield. Now what will happen? What is the distribution in this case? Sir, it's very simple. Now K upon K2 is equal to K1 upon K2, Ka upon K into X upon 100 minus X. Clear? Now what, this will cancel this one. Now I am putting the value of K1. The value of K1 is equal to 1.26 into 10 to the power minus 4 and 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to x upon 100 minus x. Clear to you? After solving this expression, what we get? So the percentage, the value of x is around 76.83, and that is the percentage distribution of B, because we have taken the percentage distribution of B is x and the percentage distribution of C is 100 minus x. So 100 minus x will be equal to 100 minus 76.83. Then what will happen? In this case 23.17. This is one of the best expression. K1 for B, that is B for B, this K1 is equal to Ka multiply x. X is equal to percentage yield, percentage quantity, and for C, K2 is equal to Ka into 100 minus x. Now K1 divided by K2, put the expression, you will get the B, percentage of B, and this one is the percentage of C. Clear to you? This is one of the most important question. Check it out. I am giving you few seconds to note it down. I think, friend, you have noted it down. So let's move to the next one. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the question number 7. This is one of the most simplest question. Now how to solve such question? Check it out. That is for the reaction 2NH3. Here given the reaction here and the relation. As we know, that is minus 1 upon 2 dNH3, clear to you, upon dt. This is the expression, is equal to dN2 upon dt, clear to you. Then what will happen? 1 upon 3 dH2 upon dt. Yes sir, wait for a moment. Now as we know, for minus dNH3 upon d2 is given here K1. Put the value K1 NH3, clear to you, upon 2. Now for this one, that is K2 NH3. Put here K2 NH3. Yes sir. Now what will happen? Now this one is dH2, that is K3 NH3 upon 3. Clear? Now what will happen? This one and this one will cancel each other. Now what is the expression? K1 upon 2 is equal to K2, then is equal to K3 upon 3. Clear to you? Clear to you, friend? Now what is the LCM here? That is 6. So right here 3K1 is equal to 6K2 is equal to 2K3. This is the expression. 3K1 is equal to 6K2 is equal to 2K3. So for this question, we can easily assume, we can easily predict B is the correct option. Clear, friend? Now let's move to the next segment. What will happen in this case? Check it out. What I'm telling, listen carefully. Now, question number 1. If the concentration of the reactant is increased by m, this is completely theory type question, then K becomes, as we all know, the value of K does not depend upon the concentration. It is independent of concentration. It depends generally upon temperature. So for this case, that is the K becomes K, no changes. For this case, B is the correct option. Clear to you, friend? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. What is the next question? Check it out. Look at, a drop of solution contains 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 mole of H plus. If the rate of disappearance of H plus ion is 10 to the power 7 mole per liter per second, how long would it take for H plus in the drop to disappear? This is one of the simplest question. First of all, you have to find out the concentration. As we know, concentration is equal to mole per liter. What is mole here? 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear to you? 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 and upon volume, that is 0.05 ml. Clear? If 0.05 ml, convert it into liter, multiply by 1000. Now what will happen? Multiply by 100. Yes sir, that is the concentration in this case, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 5 upon 5. Clear? Yes, that is the concentration will be equal to 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 1. Clear to you? 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 1. 3 by 5, you can write like this, 0.6 and 0.6, and the concentration here is given. What is given here? Concentration, that is you can write here concentration is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now here what is given? Rate of disappearance. Rate of disappearance give, that is concentration upon time. So time is equal to concentration upon rate of disappearance, that is 10 to the power 7. Now what is concentration? 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 7. Now what will happen? 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 9 second. So for this question, what is the correct option? Sir, it is very simple. For this question, B is the correct option. Is it clear what I am telling? For this question, B is the correct option. Now next one is, now look at, this is simple question as I discussed earlier, that is what is A? Overall K, that is A, K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, Kn. So the overall K in this question will be given by K1 plus K2 plus dot 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 Kn. Then for this question, A is the correct option. Clear friend? Now I'm going to rub this part and now we will revise the things. Clear the things. What will happen? Check it out. Now the first question, what will be the option? So for first question, B is the correct option, that is 20 minutes. For second question, C is the correct option, minus EA upon 2.303. For question number 3, that is D is the correct option. It will be 1 by 9th of its initial value. For question number 4, C is more than theoretical pi, more than delta H. For question number 5, what will happen? As we know, this is slight different. A and C is the correct option. I have discussed, I have drawn the graph also in case of that is Arrhenius equation. So A and C. For 6, that is the answer is D, 76.83 and 23.17. For question number 7, B is the correct option, 3K1 plus 6K2 plus equal to 2K3. Now for question number 8, K is independent of concentration. So for this question, B is the correct option. Now for question number 9, as I discussed, given the complete expression, 6 into 10 to the power minus 9. And for question number 10, what is the expression? K is equal to K1 plus K2 plus dot 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 Kn. Clear? I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can easily approach to me. So time is calling friend, time to say bye bye. Thank you so much.